Welcome to Don't Be Knotty. I am going to show you how to use this product. It is for anybody who wears scarves, man, woman, long hair, short hair. It's got 3 different uses. First of all, it's called Don't Be Knotty so that it can reduce the knots that occur at the back of the hair after hours of use of a scarf. So if you have long hair, you know what I'm talking about if you're wearing scarves. And how it does this is when it clamps down on the back of your scarf, it's reducing that friction that you have from all day wear and movement and sometimes the weather and elements outside. So it will help reduce that by holding your scarf down. Next thing, number 2, that it's going to do for you is it's actually holding your scarf in place. So when you have some thinner, silkier scarves like this, they're always moving and shifting. So when you snap on this product, it's going to hold it in place for you, which is awesome. Next, the third is going to hold down your scarf, which reduces that bulge that sometimes you feel like you get at the back of the hair. So enjoy that as well. And as you can see, after wearing Don't Be Knotty, I can still run my fingers through my hair throughout the day and not have these knots. So how it works, let me show you. You can use thin scarves, thicker infinity scarves, blanket scarves, and some heavier knit scarves as well. I've got an infinity scarf here. You just twirl it around like a figure 8. You're going to take your large Don't Be Knotty and you're just gonna snap it right on. You've got 2 snaps. Place it over your head and readjust your scarf, and that is it. It's that simple. Same thing with the small scarves. We've got a small size for the thin, delicate ones, so having one of each is definitely a benefit. I hope you like this. If you have any questions, get a hold of us. You can go to knotty.com, that's Knotty.com, and order yours today.